Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Facebook account, the latest method. So first you just need to go to the right corner, go to the three-line menu or profile icon. Then you just need to tap on the settings, tap on settings with the gear icon. Then you just need to tap on see more in account center. Then you just need to go down and find these personal details, tap on personal details. Then you have to tap on account ownership and control. Then find this deactivation deletion option, click on deactivation. Then choose your profile. Again, select the deactivate your account, click continue. Now you have to give a Facebook password here, tap on continue. Now you just have to choose the option here, choose this first option and tap on continue. Then you can choose how many days you want to deactivate your account. You can choose days from here, but you can also choose don't reactivate automatically. Press done, tap continue. Then you just have to go down and press on this deactivate my account and it will deactivate your account. So if you want to reactivate your account, you just have to give your password and email to log in again and it will reactivate your account. So that's it guys. This is how you can deactivate your Facebook account with the latest method. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe and thank you for watching.